Hey guys, today we're going to be making some chocolate candy ice cream, and it's pretty simple. It's only about 5 ingredients. For the candy, I'm going to use a Ferrero Rocher, which is a popular chocolate hazelnut candy, and it's good, especially if you're trying to eat it in a sitting. First off, thank you guys for 82 subs. Maybe we'll hit 100 by the summer. Also, this is perfect timing as it is the 1-year anniversary of my ice cream video. So first, we're going to use the bowl technique. So take a large bowl and place a lot of ice in it. Try to fill it up as much as you can. Next, add several spoons of salt to your ice. This will help to ensure that the ice will stay cool and not melt. Shake it a little to make sure the salt spread evenly. Then, place a smaller bowl in the large bowl. Now, for my ice cream ratio, I'd add about 1.5 cups of heavy cream to start. We will then add half a cup of milk after. Alright, time to add the milk. Now, if you want it to be less creamy, you could probably add more milk and less cream, but that's really just your choice. For the main sweetness, add half a cup of sugar, powdered or granulated. For the chocolate base, add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder or less. Now, using an electric mixer, you want to beat the cream until it's stiff. This might take a little while. Once it kind of looks like frosting, that's when you can stop. Now for the toppings, you can honestly use any chocolate candy. I just decided to use a Ferrero Rocher because it was in my house already, so I decided to use it. Seal a couple of them in a bag, and then use a wooden tool or a hammer to smash them. And you don't want it until it's like fully melted liquid type, but you want it until it's sort of mashed and able to put as chunks in your ice cream. Okay, now that you have the chocolate fully chopped up, you should take a spoon or any scooping tool in order to scoop the chunks out of your bag. They do look a little strange, if you know what I mean, but they'll look fine once we mix it in. Like last time, use a mixer to blend it in. However, you don't want it fully mixed in, as where the chunks are no longer noticeable, so do this for around 10 to 15 seconds. Once it's ready, seal it in a container however you like, and then freeze overnight. Alright guys, so I have my ice cream here. I'd say it definitely looks better from last year, because last year looked a little weird. This actually looks more like ice cream than what was last year. Oopsies. This actually looks more like ice cream than what was last year's. Alright, let's have a taste test. Wow. Not even kidding, this tastes pretty good. Has a very strong chocolate flavor. Okay. And the Ferrero Rocher, I can take a little chunk of that rich chocolate. Can you? So, I'm certainly giving this a 8.5 out of 10. Because I think I made it taste too much like whipped cream. As well. Bye guys. See you next video.